Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back everyone. I'm so sorry for being a little MIA recently. I hope you guys will understand because, summertime. Yeah, summer tends to get a little busy as usual, so I am slacking just a bit on my videos and I hope to correct that soon. I plan on batch filming a few videos today, and pardon my voice, I'm filming early in the morning before my son's swim class so that I can make sure I have videos for the next coming weeks. And yeah, and I also feel a little bit rusty, but yes guys, I wanted to actually come on and do my Coach summer sale reveal. Trust me, they got me too, because I was looking online and I saw the sales trickling in from Macy's, Dillard's, I forget what other department store, but then eventually Coach caught on and they had their, oh, Amazon, how can I forget? Amazon had their sale early on because they did it during their Prime, I believe. And yeah, and then eventually Coach caught on and Coach had their sale too. So I will say the sale is definitely later this year because I specifically remember last year shopping the sale on my birthday, and they had already had the stuff on sale for like a couple weeks at that point, because I remember I think it was the Coach cargo Tabby. Oh my god, those bags were flying off the shelves because they went on sale in that nice brown cognac color. I forget what it's called, but yeah, I remember that. And I remember not being interested in it, but I was like I felt like I was being heavily influenced to want to get that bag. And like I knew, like, I'm like, I'm not gonna really wear this, I don't think. So I ended up getting something else during the summer sale, which I am selling because I never wore her either. That's my Coach, the mini Brooklyn with the fringe. That's on my Poshmark if you guys are interested. But yeah, they pushed the sale back, and I don't know why they did that, but it was a little, it was a little off-putting because we already shopped like all the major department stores and Amazon. So anyway, that's what I'm here to talk to you about. Sorry for the long-winded intro. I feel like I'm a little out of practice, but so I have two bags to show you and then a couple accessories, okay? So let's just get right into it. Okay, my darlings. So the first bag I have to show you is already opened up, but not completely unwrapped, and I might need your help. So the first bag from the Coach sale that I got is this lovely Coach Empire 21 in the clay color. This is the bag I got from Amazon actually, and as you can see, it's factory wrapped. Like, I took it apart a little bit I didn't really take it apart. I unwrapped like the outside wrapping just to see the color and try her on, play around a little bit. But yes, guys, the clay color, all the clay has gone on sale. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't really see that coming. I don't know, did I? No, I didn't. I honestly didn't, but hey, what do I know? But yeah, they put the clay colors on sale. And it's funny because I was really interested in this bag at retail price. Like, when I did a little walkthrough at one point, I was really eyeing her, and I kind of was checking her out a little bit longer than I did the other bags, her and the Juliet bag. So I knew that I had a pull towards the bag, but I don't think I was like 100% sold. But when it went on sale, I was like, wait a minute, I can't pass this up. So I got this bag from Amazon. The sale was kind of brief. I think they had like a flash sale, and then eventually like everyone else posted their sales, and this bag is on sale for $195. Normally retails for $325. So that's a very good savings, honestly. Yeah. And so here she is. The question is, I love her. I mean, she's very beautiful, okay? The color is lovely. I don't want to come off like I don't like the bag. It's so tough because I'm not going to be like, oh my God, this is a stunning bag. Like, it is a beautiful bag. I like the Empire 21. That's why I chose her. And what else? Oh, I like the color because it kind of has like pink undertones. You know what I mean? And so that's why I was like, oh, this is really pretty. Like, very different. Of course, it's suede. Coach is having a thing with suede bags. A lot of fashion houses are. And it's like, oh my God, guys, is this the only way I can get color? Like, if I buy it in suede? I don't know what to say. But I knew I didn't want to pass this up without bringing her home, putting some charms on, checking her out, and getting your advice. So, and I bought this from Amazon, so essentially, you have 30 days to return it, I think. And that's where I'm at, guys. So let me charge her up. Let me give you guys a little tour of the bag. This is, the best I can do, kind of, without like dismantling her. I'm sure you guys have seen the clay before, obviously, and it's nothing new. I just am wondering if this is too close to my other Empire, guys. And the other Empire I'm referring to is my Toffee Empire 21. Oh my God, I'm a little scared because I'm like, this is similar. It's too close. It's too close of a color. Like, it's too close of a color, no? I don't know. I don't know. Are they the same bag, guys? Please let me know. Let me know your thoughts. I'm really, really, really going to weigh your thoughts heavily on this because I'm not like, and I hate to sound like this. I don't want to say I'm not obsessed with the bag. I really like the bag. I think I'm more so afraid of duplicates and my collection getting a little out of control that I'm trying to practice some self-restraint. Oh my God, because I know that there's some beautiful pastel colors coming out from Coach, and oh my God, I think I'm gonna have to make a separate video about that because my boy Caleb, he let us know like what's coming out, the goods. So I want to keep an eye on that drop and find out everything I can about that drop because those are my colors. That's why I'm like a little hesitant about the purchases I'm making now. So yeah. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. I know what you guys are going to say. You guys are going to tell me that I have hesitation in my voice and I should just return it, but it's not that easy. Like, I like the bag. I really do. I like the silhouette. I like that I can just throw it on crossbody. I wore this bag to death last fall and winter, and I feel like I can wear this bag summer, like now. And I think my idea is to dress her up more with pink accessories to highlight that, you know, spring vibe, like the girly vibe in the bag, you know what I mean? And that pink undertone in the bag. So that's my goal. And if I have achieved it by the end of this video, then I think I'll know the answer, but I do want you guys to chime in. Please help me out. It's more so about like maintaining and controlling the size of my collection. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, guys, let me know also, do you think this is like the same bag, but one suede, one leather? I don't know. Okay, so that's that. And I mean, I took you around as best as I can, I think, in the bag. Like I said, I don't like to undo bags all the way because when I return it, somebody else really should have the joy of taking out all the wrapping. So let me dress her up and that will help me make a decision, okay? Okay, guys, that actually works out perfectly because next I'm going to reveal something I bought during the sale, but it was not on sale, unfortunately. I tried to get it on sale, but I couldn't. And so the next reveal is going to be the elusive rainbow cherry charm from Coach. Guys, this glittery rainbow cherry charm is everything. I saw it first on, I think I want to say I saw on Jazz's channel, and then I saw it on Perfectionist, and I was like, oh my God, yeah, this is beautiful. Because Perfection had it on her chalk Lana, and as you can imagine, all these colors on a white background, oh my God, did it ever pop. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. So much so that I was like, oh, I need a chalk bag. So yeah, I decided to get it. I ended up getting this from Dillard's. Thank you to Jazz. I used your link, girl, because I was like, let me get this before it sells out. I really wanted to get it off of Amazon because if you know, you know, they had it for $95. Brand new, $95 as opposed to the $150. And I was like, why? But I was just mad that I couldn't get it, really. Apparently, it comes in and out of stock, I think. So check it out. Maybe you can set up an auto alert because I think Kim mentioned that you can do like an auto buy if you put alerts on. I still don't really know how to do all that, but nevertheless, it's fine. I bought it already. It's here. I do like it a lot. I'm trying to see which bags I can style this best on. And you know what? Funnily enough, this charm looks really, really nice on this bag, on this clay colored bag. Oh, sorry, one more thing. The reason why I'm presenting it like this is because it actually came from Dillard's just like this. There was no wrapping on each individual cherry like I've seen previously. And I didn't even did I get a box? No, I got like a tissue paper sleeve, I guess. And then you know what they gave me? They ended up putting it in a what goes around comes around dust bag. So I don't know if you guys know, but what goes around comes around is a consignment store, luxury consignment, and they do operate out of Dillard's now, I heard. And so they were just like, okay, let's just use this dust bag. They probably just had one lying around and wanted to get it out to me quick. They did ship it fairly quickly, but it wasn't wrapped. And I was like, guys, come on. But I looked it over and I was pleased with it, so I didn't make a big fuss. And you know, Dillard's, like, I don't know. I think you have to like pay to return items, and I was like, I can't because I don't have a Dillard's near me, so I was like, that's fine. But look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, and this retails for $150, guys. Okay, so let's put her on. I did end up putting the O-ring on here already because I was, you know, playing around with her. And I feel like, let me see, what did I do? Yeah, I wanted the more the pink and the orange cherries to lay across the bag this way. Isn't that so nice? It really looks beautiful on the clay. So I really like that. And then, like I said, the other idea I had about like pulling out the pink in this bag is by putting a twilly on her. So this is one of the twillies I got from the powder pink drop, and I was like, you know what? This might work. So I did kind of like throw her on here loosely, and I'll do the same thing again just to get an idea. I have 2 of these, so I would put it on each handle. But you guys let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Here, maybe I can do that. Okay. I didn't do that before, but yeah, that works. And, you know, just to get an idea of how, like, sorry guys, I'm not doing a very good job, but as I said, it's just for, just to get a feel. I just want to get a quick feel of how that would look. Okay. So yeah, what do you think, guys? It's not bad. I mean, once it's like more, I feel like once it's tighter and better applied, it'll probably look better. Okay, and then I decided, let me get one of my other Amazon charms, like chain charms. The gold one. This is an Amazon dupe. It's a very good dupe. Look at that. And I'm going to put this on the back. So I had it on, I kind of just clipped it onto that tag, and then that's on that, just to get an idea. Just to make it a little prettier. So you got the gold on the back, you got the rainbow cherries on the front. And one more. I thought of adding this beautiful tea rose, pink tea rose from my powder pink Rowan on here. So that's that. I think that looks really good. The tea rose really pops. I like that. Okay, and then one last thing is my peony heart charm. So what do you guys think? Is that too much? What do you think? Let me know. I really do want to pull out the pink, like I said, and I think, I don't know if I overdid it. Maybe just with the peony, with the tea rose. It's really cute. It's so light and like makes the bag more vibrant, I think. Yeah, guys, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. I'm so curious to hear your thoughts. I really am. One of my sale finds. So yeah, please sign off below. And in the meantime, I'll keep on trying her on with some outfits and adding some other bag charms and whatnot, and we'll see. Okay, on to the next. Next, I do have a couple of bag tags that my SA heat stamped for me. So let me pull these out because it's a quick reveal. One of them is this one. I think this is like in a salmony light pink color, and it says treat yourself always. And I planned on putting this on my marigold tabby that I just got for my birthday. And then there are hearts and bows on the back with a little confetti. I thought that was so cute. I love the confetti idea. My essay always mentions this and the little dots, and it really does like spice it up. So I like it. I ended up doing another pretty things inside because I really love this saying, honestly. And I think I wanted this on there too. I think I wanted this on my marigold as well. But I can put this on anything, honestly, because it's more like a saddle, like orangey back tag, I think. And then the back has like bigger dots. Really cute. Really festive. Love these two. Love, love, love. Hey, and then my last reveal from the sale is this bag that I got during my, the walkthrough. But yeah, guys, so this is something that was totally unexpected. I didn't even know this bag like existed because they had it like in the back somewhere, or they had a bunch of them and then it ended up going on sale. But yeah, guys, it is a small bag, as you can tell from the box. A very small bag. I don't even know if I have the exact name of this, but we'll find out together with the tag. Okay, guys, to reveal another Tabby, another bag from the Tabby line. This is a mini Tabby, kind of like a wallet on chain in the, I don't know what color. I gotta check the tag, but this bag really stuck out at me when I did my walkthrough. I just kind of fell in love with her because she's so little, because she's so mini. I love mini bags. The crossbody chain on her was perfect. And I believe this bag was like $153. And if you know the Tabby 20, no, I'm sorry, the Tabby 19s, which is like the wristlet version, crossbody version, they usually run like $2.99. So the fact that this was half price of a typical wristlet, I was like, yeah, I'm taking her. And yeah, you know what? So this is the wristlet version. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's just that this is like the regular structured Tabby version. I love, love, love that there's only one compartment. Love it. It comes with a chain strap. Love that. 2 slip pockets for cards right here, and 1 big slip pocket in the back. That's perfect. Love it. Because I can always put extra cards back here and everything in here. My phone does fit, the iPhone 14 Pro, but if I put the phone in here, that's like the only thing that fits in here. So I'll probably end up doing a what's in my bag and what fits in here, because I think it's important to know. And I do have like another mini crossbody bag that I use for pickups for my son. And I definitely have to be able to fit my keys in there, my license, at least 1 credit card. And it'd be nice to get a lip product in there, and then my phone, because I like to be hands-free. So yeah, I'll show you guys and I'll compare that. But yeah, guys, I love this color. It's so beautiful. I love the contrast signature canvas. You have Coach right there. And yeah, this is also like a push to open mechanism. This actually features the older leather wrapped C, which I did like. I like that because it's a little different, you know? I think they're doing away with it, but I like it in this. Let's see what this is made out of. Does it say? It doesn't say. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, well, anyway, let me see what the tag says. So, guys, this is the tag. It is a signature Tabby wristlet, and it's tan rust. And the code is CK025. Like I said, this was on sale for $153, I believe. Love it, love it, love it. Love this pocket up front, which is classic Tabby design. And then you have a slip pocket in the back, which is awesome. So yeah, guys, that's her. And I know it's a neutral bag, so I know you're probably wondering, wait a minute, neutral in the summer? Like, yeah, I know. But this is what Coach is giving us, guys. So yeah, that's the chain. Beautiful chain. That's the retail brass chain. And the length on it is so generous. Gotta be careful with that front buckle. It just reminds me of an old school crossbody wallet on chain, honestly. I love it. I do. Super cute. So cute. Okay, guys, so that pretty much wraps up my Coach summer sale haul. I would love to know what you guys picked up from the sale. It definitely was a good one. There were a lot of options. There was even a clay Chelsea on sale that I was this close to buying, but I was like, no, no, no. If I do get another Chelsea, I think I want leather. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. These are my little tags. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I look forward to reading your comments. And until next time, bye.